everyone. Today we are going to do an activity based on arithmetic progression. Let's see what the aim of the activity is. You have to check whether the given sequence is an arithmetic progression or not by paper cutting and pasting. See, I'm given three APs. First one is 3, 3, 3 and so on. Second is 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 and so on. Then you have 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now, we can tell directly whether it is an AP or not, but we have to do this by paper cutting and pasting. So, let's see the material required. We need Fevistick, geometry box, scissors and colored paper. Fevistick, geometry box, scissors and colored paper. Now, the steps are, for first we will take the sequence 3, 3, 3 and so on. We will cut rectangular strips of dimension 3 cross 2 of different colors. What we will do? We will cut strips of dimension 3 cross 2. You can take centimeter, you can take inch also. So 3 cross 2 of different colors. Next step, we will draw a straight line and paste the rectangular strips of dimension 3 cross 2 in order on the line so that the base of the strip touches the line. Every strip we are going to touch the line. Now check the difference between the height of the adjoining strips. We have to check what is the difference between the height of the adjoining strips, and we will repeat the same procedure for the next two sequences. Now see what we observe. See, first sequence there you have 3, 3, 3. I have pasted these rectangular strips of dimension 3 cross 2. You can take it in inches or you can take in centimeter also. Then I have pasted that on a straight line. Then I have observed the difference between their heights, and I observed the difference between their height will 0. Right? Similarly, then I have taken the second sequence 1, 3, 4. Again, I have pasted rectangular strips of dimension 1 cross 2. Then next will be 3 cross 2. Then it will be 4 cross 2. So I pasted that on a line and I have joined the tips. And I can see I'm not able to join the strip by one straight line. You should also understand this. There are two ways to understand whether it is an AP or not. If you are able to join these corners of the strips by a straight line, then it will form an AP. Because when you are able to join them join the corners by a straight line, then you will be only able to join if the height is the same. So let's observe the third. See here, I have pasted rectangular strip of different colors such that I have taken the width as 2 centimeter and the length will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Now see, the difference between the height of these strips is same. Every time it is coming out to 2 and 2, and I am able to join the corners by a straight line. So if you are able to join the corners by a straight line, then the following sequence is an AP. In the previous two, we have observed that in the first case, when it was 3, 3, 3, I was able to join them by a straight line. But in the second case, we are not able to join it in a straight line. So my observation is difference in height between two consecutive strips for 3, 3, 3 and 2, 4, 6, 8 is same. Whereas the difference in height between two consecutive strips for the sequence 1, 3, 4, 6 is not same. So my observation says that 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are arithmetic progression, whereas 1, 3, 4, 6 is not an arithmetic progression. So using this activity, we can find any sequence. We can show any sequence is whether any sequence is an AP or not by cutting and pasting. Hope you are able to understand. Thank you.